going on, guys? Chris Rennick here, and today, I'm a little sad. I'm sitting in the middle of a parking lot. The pavement's a little hot because we're in Florida. By the way, the weather is about 85 degrees out. We're wearing some junk merch. Go down the file below and check it out. Anyways, my friend Jamie left me. I had to drop him off at the airport early this morning, and he's gone, so I don't feel like a sailor anymore. Yeah, I still got my boat and everything, but it doesn't feel the same to wear all of that gear. So we're back to the junk merch, which I'm not complaining about. Anyways, guys, today we are going to be working on the Civic. We have the Civic right here. As you guys remembered, it is sitting disgusting. Yes, the RPF ones, they looked great on this car. I decided I wanted to go stance boy with it, so me and Alex made this whole trade, and I ended up with -20 ESMs that don't fit my car at all. But that's okay, because BC is going to help us make it fit. So today's video is sponsored by BC Racing. I went to their shop yesterday, and I cannot wait to put these things on today. I am beyond stoked. We're gonna be doing it at HP Logic, and we're gonna see. I have a camber kit coming, but we are gonna see if we can fit these wheels, kind of, sorta, with just the coilovers. Can we do it, or can we not? Let's find out. Before the video gets any further, I just want to show you the back, how it came out. Honestly, it didn't come out too bad. This seat is disgusting. It's all gray now. Everything looks good. I'll pop the trunk for you guys. I even hid the wires, or I even taped up all the wires so the wires weren't gray. And it came out really well. I'm pretty impressed with how we did with just the rattle job. The only thing that I still need to do is I still need to do this. Obviously, I didn't get around to that yet, but it looks good. I wish we took the sound deadening off, but Jack said it would have been a nightmare, and to be honest, it just wasn't worth it because it doesn't weigh that much. But the whole trunk is gray, the whole back seat is gutted, and I think we did a pretty good damn job. Thanks for the help, Jamie. So now that this thing's driving again, I can't just drive it to HP. Normally, we gotta hit some boost. We gotta, give it the good old 1-2 because the clutch isn't here yet. It should be here Friday. Ordered a few days ago, and tracking says it should be here Friday, so I'm very excited for that. But let's go rage this puppy. Well, guys, I will say this isn't the most ideal setup right now, but we'll make it work here. Civic power, baby. Now that the whole rear is gutted, there's no back seats, there's no nothing. All I hear is that Walbro 255. Tell me if you can hear it. Race car things. All right, here we go. Ooh, Jack's tuning right now. Okay. Ooh, Marcus is already here to set me up. Look at this. What a good guy. Well, as you can see, Jack is tuning right now, so I can't get on the lift because the dyno fan is in the way, but it's okay because we have a box to open, so let's do it. All right, so what do we have here? We got some coilovers. Oh, dude, I'm pumped right now. The Civic is about to be stance. What you know, Mark?
I don't know nothing.
Okay, so we got the BR type coilover, 96 to 2000. We got a 98, so we're perfect. Alrighty, here's the money shot right here. I'm excited to see it actually how low you can get, because these coilovers are not that expensive, and if you go ISR, they don't go low enough. They don't go two stance boy. If you get Olin's, they're very expensive. They don't go stance boy. Obviously, that's not what they're meant for. But these, they are meant for a good ride quality. They're meant to go super low, and we're really gonna test how low we can get. I don't know actually how low we can go because of the dump pipe. I think we're gonna have to make a new dump pipe, but that's all in time, and we are going to install these today. I am pumped on these, dude. This is gonna be the nicest thing in the car. Literally, when we jack this thing up, you're gonna see how much of a rusty piece of dog poop this thing is, and these are really gonna shine. They're gonna shine, and it's gonna look pretty. So once Jack is done dynoing, we're gonna lift this puppy up. Down below. Dang, dude, I want the Camry fitment. This is good.
Monster truck fitment?
Monster truck fitment. All right, as you can see, the car is in the air, and it is a Connecticut car. Would you say so?
100%.
This is, so if you guys live in Connecticut, or if you
roof.
have never seen a Connecticut car, or a car that deals with salt its whole life, this is what it looks like. Rust, rot, rust, Look at the brake lines, everything.
This is about to fall apart.
Oh my God, that thing's brutal. You go from the front, everything's toast on it. Like, look at these lower control arms. They are literally rusted out. So I think it's fair to say we're gonna start with the back. I think it's a little easier. You just gotta pop this bolt out. The front, you gotta do some weird shit. So I'd rather do the backs first. And the backs are definitely gonna be easier to roll, to fit in, all of that. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take this bolt out, we're gonna drop the suspension on both sides and put the BCs in. Got some tools for the job since this thing's a rust bucket. Got the hammer out just in case you need it, but we're gonna use a ratchet. We're gonna get this bolt out right here. Let's do it. It's off. Okay, so problem after problem with this rust bucket. So this one took quite some time to get off right here. We gotta hammer that out. And this one is completely stripped. So you take a 17 and you spin it, nothing happens. It does literally nothing. So it has to be cut. We all remember last time someone cut something. Things didn't really end up well here. Things didn't end up well, so Jesus Christ, I just want to install some coilovers. Usually on a Civic, if you have a normal Civic that's not rusty, should take about, an hour, 30 minutes, an hour tops. But this is gonna be an all-day project to get one bolt out. Wow, when life hands you lemons, you really squeeze inside that cut. So we're gonna go to Home Depot, we're gonna get cut-off wheels, I'm gonna buy a face shield. And Marcus already got hurt for me once, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take one for the team here. And I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna do it! We're gonna cut it, we're gonna get these coils in because I wanna be a stance boy, One little thing ain't gonna stop me.
Gotta one-up me in the G.
We're going back to Nancy's garage, boys. Get ready for it. All right, boys, here we go. We got 5 chances at this sucker, even though we're not gonna need that. Where's that face shield, dude?
I don't know, but I'm looking at this because I want to buff some pipes for the car.
Oh.
So.
Oh, Marcus is turning into. Oh, let's get that to buff your head.
We got this right here.
All right, so we got a face shield right here, and we're ready to roll. All right, guys. Well, Marcus is behind the camera eating a corn dog. I'm gonna go ahead. I got the face shield. I got the welding gloves. Marcus is gonna stay really far back because we're doing really good on the Marcus injury. So we're gonna try to keep it that way. Hopefully, I don't die. Here we go. Keep that injury counter going up because I got little specks. My arms burn a little bit. I wish I wore a sweatshirt, but hey,
I actually forgot that I did have a sweatshirt.
I'm still living, dude.
Yeah.
I'm not cut, I'm not bruised, I'm nothing. And I think I got this out. Let me go grab a little nail punch real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I use this little punch right here. So now this bolt is out. That bolt is out. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna lower the car and take the 4 nuts out up top. Okay, nuts off on that side, nuts off on that side, raise it back up. We gotta start working on the ruckus soon because Jack is fucking destroyed me in this build contest. I don't even call it a contest.
I'm waiting for you.
He's waiting for me. I'm waiting for me too. I'm waiting for some sponsorships to get back to me, but
I'm kind of not waiting for you.
yeah, you're definitely not waiting for me. Jack has probably like 8 hours a day on that scooter, so he's not waiting. All right, so I just got the old suspension out, and so we have the BCs all the way max and put it in real quick. See the gap? Oh. Wait, can you try to get it in the hole so we can look at it from here? Oh my, dude, that's like a good 3-inch difference right there. I mean, we're gonna try to throw it in just like this, see what happens. And, I mean, I'm gonna try to run it. We're gonna roll the fenders and everything. We're gonna see what happens, but I'm excited. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna install the BCs on the rear, both rears right now, fully maxed out. Let's see what happens. Are you ready for this? He is, let's go. So first coilover installed, and let me tell you, this thing is gonna be a stance warrior, if we can get it to work. So, the car is not even on the ground yet, and this is what it's looking like.
I can roller right here.
This is the roller, dude. Yes, this is gonna be exciting. I can't wait. So, yeah. I mean, try to spin this. I mean, you can, but I can't with one. As you can see, it's already hitting quarter panel. This is going to be the definition of ignorance.
Yeah.
Definition of ignorance. Spanky's revenge.
Spanky's revenge.
Spanky's revenge. Jack, wait. Come over here and look at this.
You like the roller? bad.
What do you think of this, dude? Tell me.
Oh, there it is. It's on the floor over there. Just some camber is all you need.
Can we get it to fit?
Hey, yeah, all day.
All day.
Come on, look. It's only like a 3-inch difference.
Yeah, only 3 inches.
Only. This is ridiculous.
It's ignorance. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put the other one on, but the other one's not gonna look as cool because we have those like janky wheels on the rear. Sorry, Alex, but they're janky. And I'll go put it on. You saw this side. It looks pretty mean, but we need to roll it. So we're trying to figure out how to roll it. I think we're gonna use this nice jack handle because, like, as you can see, the shell's not the cleanest. And what we're gonna do is once we roll it, all the paint's gonna chip off inside. I'll just get the paint match, paint over it. It's not gonna be a big deal. So we're gonna try to fit this jack handle in here, right? And as Jack's heating, I'm gonna go up like that. I can't really do it with one hand, but I just wanted to show you. So once this is full hot, this wheel is actually perfect to let us go around with a jack handle. Look at this wheel, dude.
You know what I say you do?
Huh?
I say you put it on the ground and drive back and forth.
I don't think that would work. You think that would work?
It's definitely how it would work, but it'd be a lot more aggressive.
It would be aggressive.
So
I think like if we just take our time, it will come out good.
let's try it. Look at this.
Welcome to the cheese dick shop.
This is a good pull going here.
Jack is loving this.
I am loving it.
Crazy. It's gonna start going like this. This is gonna be a permanent stance car now. When we go to make some big power, I got some other plans.
What about when you all-wheel drive swap it?
That's not happening.
Rear-wheel drive swap it.
But I have some plans that I want this to be a stance car, and I have some other things in the making.
I'm excited. I'm really excited.
Jack loves this build.
I do, yeah.
This is Jack's favorite
This
build.
is my favorite build of yours right now.
Yeah. That's so funny. Well, guys, we're almost done with one, which is good. Oh, boy.
Marcus knows what he's doing with this freaking Fender roller. I've rolled a lot of Fenders, believe it or not.
That's good.
So now would be the time to put the suspension in because now you're trying to roll this and then like it's pushing on that.
Well, we got to test the wheel.
Yeah. Now would also
kind of fix that.
Now would also be a good time to go get your junk merch.
Yeah, get that junk merch. Hell yeah. Well, guys, she's not on the ground yet.
It's ready.
It's camber gang right now. I'm actually really excited for this. I don't think it's gonna fit when we drop it on the ground, but I think I think a little bit of camber, this thing will be fucking tucking hard. Tucking harder than you. I'm coming after yours. I'm beating you in stance right now. There it is.
Let me get rid of those meaty tires and we'll talk.
I'm beating you, dude.
We'll talk.
I'm beating you at your own game.
Don't put the RPF ones on stretch.
Yeah, that is wrong. That is wrong to do.
If you're gonna do that, then you just get one spacer. Don't get
No.
Dude, I'm running -20, dude. You're running like +24. What you know?
What's a 15 mil spacer added to that?
We're gonna go roll the other side. All right, guys, so I just finished this side, and as you can see, it doesn't hit for now. I still have to lower it. Yes, we chipped off a little, but it's okay because it's a Civic, it's a stance car, and the camber kit's not even on it. So I'm really nervous to lower this thing. I would lower it right now, but Alex just kind of fucked me. I don't have any front wheels. Alex sold his wheels, so we have to figure this out before I lower this.
Those assholes that said my wheels are ugly. Fuck you.
Yeah, they're sold. And now I'm fucked. Because that tire shop over there didn't have tires. And, yeah, we'll be right back. Alright, guys, so we came up with a solution. The Civic is running T's. I will never spin tire ever again. Instead of spinning tire, I am just going to be spinning clutch all day long until Friday. I just checked the shipping on the camber kit because this is not going to work out. We're not going to be able to drive this or anything. And honestly, I don't want to raise it. I'm going to go park this thing. Tomorrow, I want to put the front suspension on. I'm not putting the front coilovers on tonight because I'll show you. That bolt right there is actually like snapped in, and to get the suspension out of this little fork thing right here is you actually loosen that, and then you put like a little pickle thing in there, and then you can just wiggle it out. But I can't really do that because it's all rusted in, it's snapped, and look at my sway bar. The sway bar is not existing. There's no bolt, no nothing, and I plan to go to the junkyard tomorrow, get all that stuff, and then we could put the BC coils on it. But right now, I'm gonna, what are you doing?
Spinning it sounds like a like a bad day.
It's
should-
rusty,
you should
dude.
try to
This is a
find-
Connecticut car. So
You should
you've
try to
lived in
find-
Florida your whole life. You've had it nice.
Whatever. Well,
This is what we deal with.
Well, I'll tell you one thing though. You'll need these tires
Yeah, no, we'll definitely need the tires
for the race.
for the race, the big race.
big
I'm gonna
race.
be racing his 300ZX
At Race Wars.
but I can't race until we get the camber kit, and I can't race until I get the clutch in, which is Friday. Right
Sounds
when the
like-
clutch comes in, I am gonna be doing that.
Sounds like excuses to me.
Let's get on the ground and let's see if I can even drive this thing. Oh man, the moment of truth right now. So we got the T's in the front, which actually look really fucking sick. Marcus is dying to do this, so let's just get this over with.
I'm just gonna bet there's no bounce. It's just
Dude, I don't think it's gonna work. It's definitely not gonna work. Here we go. Oh. It's literally sitting on the quarter. That's what it's doing.
Yeah.
Okay, stop. Don't do that. It's just squishing the tire. We need camber. We need camber ASAP.
Nah, dude, it looks fine.
What do you mean it looks fine? It's gonna melt my paint.
Let's do the test.
The test. There is no test. In this feeler gauge right now.
I'm nervous.
It doesn't work, dude. This is undrivable.
You are too fitted.
I'm too fitted.
This is what Volkswagens strive for.
It's literally what they strive for.
You shall not pass.
I don't pass.
You don't pass. You're actually stuck. Like
Well,
the
you
car.
I am
passed
stuck.
the test.
It's like your e-brake's on right now.
Pretty much.
You made an e-brake out of your fenders.
The front looks sick, though. Oh my god. I have so much rake. I think we should raise it a little. Alex and I, we sat here and we raised up the Civic a little, and this thing is ready to drive. This is credit card fitment. It is ready to go. Sadly, this is how I have to leave it until we get the camber kit. Like I said, I'd love to do the coilovers tonight, but I can't. We're gonna go to the junkyard tomorrow, but I'm gonna go for a rip in this right now, see if it rubs. We got the other coilovers in the back. We're gonna start this thing up and go for a rip. Here we go. All right, guys. So I'm driving the Civic right now. I'm not gonna lie, she's rubbing a little bit. In the rear, we definitely need to raise her just a tiny bit more. You could definitely hear that rubbing. Let me roll that window up so my junk banner doesn't fly out. Get your junk banner. I'm gonna do one last pull before we park her. I'm just doing a first gear pull because with these grippy tires, I don't want to let go here. Hell yeah. Feels like a rocket now. All right, so all my cars are put away. The Civic's put away. My poor Roadster has no wheels in the rear, but it's okay because we're waiting for that turbo. They got it probably like 5 days ago. So hopefully in the next couple weeks, this thing will be back on the road. And I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. This car is gonna be transforming like crazy throughout the next couple of weeks. As long as everything goes accordingly to plan, I gotta order one thing, and after that, it's going off the paint. It's gonna do its own thing, and it's gonna transform into something else. And BC hooked it up with this as well. I wasn't gonna tell you guys in this video, but we got coilovers for the Evo as well. So if you guys are pumped on that, definitely leave a thumbs up. I don't even know what I was just saying. Some things just went down with Marcus and I just saw him drive by and my mind went somewhere else. But anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. Like I said, I'm trying to fit these wheels. I'm not gonna give up. Thank you, BC, for sponsoring this video. We are not done with them yet. I am very, very excited to get the front done, but sadly, we have to wait. And the next time you guys see the Civic, we'll be doing a clutch. I gotta order some gauge pods so we can actually set everything up and actually make everything look nice and start cleaning up the interior. But Evo, big changes. Go get your junk merch. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna stop rambling. Peace out.